Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for June 1st, 2017. Starting off the new month in a fantastic manner. We're going to have temperatures near normal for this time of year. Mostly sunny skies, maybe some patchy early morning fog in some places that will quickly burn off, but it's going to be a very pleasant afternoon today. And this is a welcome change from what we've had recently. Of course, we did have the sun come out yesterday in abundance in east central PA, southeastern PA, much of New Jersey and Delaware, but we did have some scattered thunderstorms across the northern tier. Today, we will not have that. We'll have a mostly sunny regime across the entire coverage area, and a very nice day to get out. Actually, the next couple of days might be that way. We're going to have a little chance on Friday afternoon, and we're going to get to that now. A little front dropping down from the north. You can barely see it here, but there's a frontal boundary that's dropping off to the south like this, and that's going to stay south, and that's going to set up a nice Saturday. Could be a stray shower or storm along that, but the models have been trending against this. Let's go over to the NAM and take a look at this. This is a look at Friday evening. Absolutely nada. Nothing showing here on the NAM. There is an opportunity, though, as we get overnight. There could be a line of or something trying to come through here in the late overnight hours. But that's out of here by early Saturday morning at the latest. This is now 8 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, just South Jersey, maybe a shower. So it could be something just pushing along that front, possibly overnight Friday night. But this is not a big deal now. And we get into Saturday then, and we're completely dry. We're expecting the system that is to our west to stay there all of Saturday. Here is late in the day on here's late in the day on Saturday. You can see absolutely nothing. This mess here is in association with that low pressure in the Great Lakes that's going to plague our weather for several days, though. That's going to put dampers on things for Sunday. Here's that system from the Great Lakes moving eastward. It does have a warm front associated with it, which is right here. Low pressure is sitting up here in the Great Lakes. This warm front is actually going to press through on Sunday, and when it does, it might have low pressure tracking along it that could enhance some rainfall here for us. And here's that blob of precipitation moving eastward, and then maybe some redevelopment of another low along that frontal boundary. So it's not really shown here, but here's your primary low over the eastern Great Lakes. Another one trying to form right about here, and if that's the case, you could have some enhanced rainfall during the day on Sunday. Now, everybody's worried about the Dover race because it's down here this weekend. This is the model projection for during the day here on Sunday. You'll notice it doesn't have anything over Delaware right now, so there is the opportunity. I don't want to say it's going to be completely dry, but there is an opportunity that you might be able to get the race in this weekend if this most of the bulk of the precipitation heads further north as shown. Okay, but it doesn't take much of a shift for Delaware to be in this as well, so we're going to wait and see how that works out. But right now, for most of the area, expect periods of rain here on Sunday that will continue into Sunday night. And then that will move out, we think, Monday morning. Here's a look at early Monday morning, wee hours of the morning, and finally Delaware's getting into this at this point. And then this moves further east. But this primary low pressure in the Great Lakes is just going to hang here for a couple days. This is what we call a cutoff low. I mean, it's a cutoff from the flow. At the same time, there's a deep trough that's settling in over the eastern United States. So this has nowhere to go. It's kind of trapped. So the period from Monday through about Wednesday, maybe even Thursday, this is going to kind of sit here and spin, and it's going to wind up doing one of these numbers where it moves down to the south like this, but it's still going to be close enough where it will be influencing our weather in one form or another. So if you go over the next couple of days, here's a look at Monday right here. It hasn't moved much, okay, and you still have a shower threat, just isolated, but it's still a shower threat here on Monday. But it remains cloudy because, I mean, this is too close to the region to get any kind of sun, even if it's not raining the entire time. And then Tuesday starts to drift off to the south, and then it continues on Wednesday, just kind of sits there over West Virginia. Still some scattered showers focused west of here, but still the threat for showers here on Wednesday. And then we get into Thursday, and there's still going to be a threat of showers around maybe as this system is now pulling off down to the southeast and coming off the Carolina coast finally at that point. And then that should consolidate with the system offshore and move away, giving us a nice end of the week. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now, but there's a lot of things can change in the long range. But it looks like once you get into from Sunday through about Wednesday, maybe Thursday of next week, there's going to be an unsettled period there with cooler temperatures with that trough in place, and also the threat of a shower probably each day. But we're going to narrow that down when we get a little bit closer. Doesn't look like a total washout except for Sunday so far. The rest of it's kind of showery, hit or miss in the Monday through Wednesday time frame at the very least, maybe even Thursday, and cloudy or mostly cloudy through that entire period. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for June 1st, 2017. Have a great Thursday.